baby, watch your man out here. Tell me where he gone.
Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm coming on today to show you how I made these lovely napkin rings, all blinged out with items from the Dollar Tree and totally dazzled. Alright everyone, I found these napkin holders at the Dollar Tree. Napkin rings, OMG, and they're made out of wood. Aren't they so nice? This is the number that's on the back for anybody who'd like to order them. I'm not sure if you can get them online, but those are the numbers that you can check. They are so nice. Wood napkin rings. And I have my rose gold bling wrap from Totally Dazzled. And I also have my silver bling wrap from Totally Dazzled. And I'll be using these gems. Not sure if I'll be using these ones, but I'll be using gems. Everything that I will be using for this DIY will be in the description box below, plus the links where you guys can go over and get some bling wraps and some bling gems for yourself also. Alright everyone, let's get started! Okay, we're going to start by painting our rings white. Just using the white acrylic paint on them, the inside and all over. Now we're going to take our gems from Totally Dazzled, which they have a little tab on the back, but you just take your little tool and they snap right off. Very easy. No difficulty at all. And now we have our bling wrap, which I'm going to share a secret with you guys. See, when you cut the bling wrap, you see little threads going along the sides and along here. Wherever you cut it, you always see some excess thread. So just take your scissors and snip very lightly, following the line that you had snipped. Just cut it, cut it, cut it. Cut the extra string off, and it makes your bling wrap that you're using really neat. That is a secret that I do every time I use this bling wrap, and that's why my bling wrap always looks so neat on my designs. Just take a little time, you know, and make your work look good. See? See the difference, you guys? You don't see the string on the sides. So it looks much more professional. And now we're going to take our bling wrap and glue them around our napkin rings, which are all white and they look so much better. Now you know you can paint them in any color you choose. I just wanted to do them in white. And now we're going to add our bling gem from Totally Dazzled. And remember, you use the Gorilla Glue. Now we're going to use the silver wrap and make another napkin holder in silver. And add our gems at the end also with our Gorilla Glue. And here's our finished look, you guys. I think they look just lovely. I like how they look with the Totally Dazzled gems all over them. OMG! They are so nice. I am so glad Dollar Tree got these wooden napkin rings holder in, because over here in Canada we did not get the silver ones like what you guys have in America. So when I went in there and I saw the wood ones, I had to grab them. And look how lovely they look. Like I said, you could paint them any color that you choose and bling them out and have some lovely napkin rings that will last a long time, because hey, they're wood. So they will last. Oh, I love them. And the gems, OMG. The gems placed on them are so beautiful. So I have 4 in the rose pink and I have 4 in silver also. And here they are within some napkin holders, you guys. Just wanted to show you how they look once you place them onto the napkin. Put the napkins in them, which I think they look so lovely. Alright everyone, tell me what you think of my napkin holders. I think they look very nice, all blinged out with the gems like I said from Totally Dazzled. They look absolutely beautiful. So leave me a comment below and tell me what you think. Give me a thumbs up. And if you're not subscribed, go ahead and press that subscribe button and don't forget to ring the bell so you'll be notified every time I upload a new video to share some more DIYs with you guys. Hey everyone! I'm coming on because I have another giveaway. These next few giveaways that I'll be doing I'm gonna be like, I want to support my fellow YouTubers, my fellow DIYers. Even if you don't do DIYs, even if you just do hauls and stuff like that, from you support me, I would like to support you. So that's what I'll be doing in the next few segments with my giveaways, because we're all here to support each other. And I'll randomly be picking people. There's no favoritism in here. There's no you support me more than you. None of that does not go up here in Petalisbless channel. Yeah, so my first recipient of my support each other giveaway is her lady called Natural Luxe Diva. Yeah, Natural Luxe Diva is the first person I'll be doing a shout out to. And let me tell you a little bit about her. So she likes Louis Vuitton, she likes Coco Chanel, she does hauls from Z Gallery, Marshalls, Home Goods, all the stores that you guys have over there in America. She does a lot of hauls, and she does DIYs also. She does home tours with what her home looks like. She shares that with us, and when she gets there's any little deals that she sees out there going on, she comes on right away with a quick video, let you know, so you can run over to the store and get it and stuff like that. Yeah, it's a very nice lady, and I'm gonna leave the link below to the video that you guys have to go over and watch. Yeah, I'm gonna pick one of her videos and leave the link below so you guys can go over and watch that video. And what you can see on her video is Petalisbless Bling mirrors. Right, I'm gonna put it right here. Petalisbless Bling mirrors. Then I'll know you're entering her giveaway. And you know, just go over and watch her video. If you're entering the giveaway, go over, watch her video, and just show some support. Hey, you might like what she's showing, and subscribe on top of that, which would be nice. If you like what she's doing, you know, support her also. Okay, the rules for this video are, you have to like this video that you're watching, like my video, be a subscriber to my channel, right? And then you're gonna go in the description box, press the link, go over to her video and watch her video, and underneath her video you're gonna enter Petalisbless Bling mirrors. That way I'll know you're entering the giveaway. Okay, you're gonna say Petalisbless Bling mirrors under her video that I send you to watch. Okay, and then I'll know that you're entered into this giveaway. Yeah, so let me show you what this giveaway package will consist of. Okay, we're gonna have the mirrored sheets, you guys. There'll be 4 packs of the mirrored sheets, and we're also gonna have this bling wrap here. It's blue, a blue bling wrap. And we're gonna have these gems. I did a DIY with this, where I did the gold frame with the mirror in the middle, and I put the wings in the middle. These are the ones I used on that, so we'll have that. I'm gonna have a pack of these, the bling gems, and I have these small gems here. Now, 2 packages will have a red, and 1 package will have a blue. Because I thought I picked up 3 reds, but I didn't. I picked up 2 reds and 2 blues. Yeah. So 1 package will have 2 reds. We'll have 1 red each, I mean, and 1 package will have the blue. Alright, you guys, so. And there'll be 3 winners. 3 winners in this giveaway, okay? So again, we'll have the mirrored sheets, 4 packs. We'll have this bling wrap. We'll have the blue. We'll have these red and white ones. And we'll have these red ones. Alright, you guys, so remember, you have to go over and watch the video. Do not leave a comment on my video. You have to leave the comment on her video. Yeah, and remember, 3 winners. For this package, I'll have 3 winners. And this video is going to run from July 13th until July 22nd. Okay, remember that, July 13th until July 22nd, 2018. Okay, you guys? And remember, there's 3 winners, and I will announce the winner after that. All right, everyone. Remember, as always, stay blessed from Petalisbless. Bye-bye, everyone.